Page 58, Unit 9. What are they doing? Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
Hi, Mai. Where's Tom?
He's in the classroom.
B.
What's he doing?
He's reading.
C.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a book.
D.
Let's play football, Tom.
Great idea.
Page 58. Activity 2. Point and say.
What's he doing?
He's listening to music.
What's she doing?
She's watching a video.
A.
Watching a video.
B.
Listening to music.
C.
Writing a dictation.
D.
Reading a text.
Page 59. Activity 3. Listen and tick. 1.
Where's Linda?
She's in the library.
What's she doing?
She's reading a book.
2.
Where's Nam?
He's in the classroom.
What's he doing?
He's writing a dictation.
3.
Where's Peter?
He's in the computer room.
What's he doing?
He's listening to music.
Page 60. Lesson 2. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
What are the pupils doing in the classroom?
Well, at the red table, they're drawing pictures.
B.
At the blue table, they're making a paper boat.
C.
And at the yellow table, they're making a kite.
Are they having an art lesson?
Yes, they are.
Page 60. Activity 2. Point and say.
What are they doing?
They're painting masks.
Page 61. Activity 4. Listen and number. It is break time now. 1.
The boys are playing football.
2.
The girls are playing badminton in the playground.
3.
The girls are making a kite.
4.
The boys are making paper planes.
Page 61. Activity 6. Let's sing. What are they doing?
What are they doing? What are they doing? They are painting a picture. That's what they're doing. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are making a puppet. That's what they're doing.
Page 62. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
Sk. Mask. He's making a mask.
Xt. Text. She's reading a text.
Page 62. Activity 2. Listen and tick. Then write and say aloud. 1.
She's looking at the mask.
2.
The desk is long.
3.
She's drawing a desk.
4.
They're painting a mask.
Page 62. Activity 3. Let's chant. What's he doing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's he doing? He's reading a text. What's she doing? She's painting a mask. What are they doing? They're drawing a desk.